Hi guys, I'm Talia from @Talia_makeup_, and I'm here today with Feelunique to give you my disco grunge makeup look inspired by Fashion Week. So if you want to achieve this look, keep watching. So I'm just going to start by using the NARS Sheer Glow foundation. Now I've chose this foundation because it's perfect to get that natural Fashion Week look. They're very fresh faced. I'm just going to go in with my sponge and just buff this all around the skin. So I'm just going to move on straight to contouring because I want to keep my face quite basic for this look. So I'll be using the Barry M Chisel Cheeks in the contour shade. And then I'm just going to take a buffing brush and I'm going to start doing this in circular motions. So I'm going in with actually the Urban Decay shadow in Woodstock. I'm literally just going to tap a bit on my brush and we're going to concentrate on the apples of the cheeks. So I'm just going to tap and then tap on this side. So what I want to achieve is a very dramatic eyeliner look. So I'm going in with the STILA Smudge Pot in black. So don't be afraid to just work back in with the Beauty Blender if you do make any mistakes. So I'm actually just going to go in with the same STILA eyeliner and just work on the lower lash line. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow in Noir, and I'm just going to start blending that into my lower lash line. So I'm just now going to be adding some length to my lashes, and I'll be using the L'Oreal False Telescopic Lash. So once again, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay shadow in the shade Woodstock, and I'm going to be taking a brush and starting putting this shade on my inner corner of the eye. I'm just going to pack that shade on and really intensify the look. And just buff out those edges ever so slightly. Under eye too, it's got a bit of shadow fallout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that highlight shade from Barry M Cosmetics Chisel Cheeks, and I'm just going to pat that into my blender and work back in the under eyes. Now Fashion Week is all about those fluffy natural brows, so I'm actually going to be using GIMME Brow from Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm just going to put this in an upwards motion, and we can already see the lengthening effect that's in there. Now I'm going to be moving on to the lips. I'm going to be going in with the BUXOM PLUMPLINE lip liner. There's actually a brush applicator on the other end, and I'm just going to start buffing this out around the lips. I'm now going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moon Jelly Gloss. Once again, I believe all products are versatile, so I'm actually going in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner, and I'm just going to start putting small lines on my lips. I'm just going to take my finger and start just patting that around the lips just to spread the glitter evenly. Thank you so much for watching. This has been my disco grunge look, and I've used all my products from feelunique.com, so don't forget that you can go on the website right now and get all of these products. Bye!